everyone, welcome to TaiyangNews. We are at Renewable Energy India Expo and we are at the booth of FIMER India Private Limited, and I'm joined by the Chief Technology Officer of the company, Xavier Scaria. So let's hear more about FIMER and its plans for India market and the rest of the world, right from Xavier. Welcome to Taiyang.
Hello everyone, welcome to Renewable Energy India Expo 2025. I am Xavier Scaria. I am managing the R&D function as a CTO in India. I represent FIMER India Private Limited. We are a multinational company based out of two factories based out of India and Italy. In India, we manufacture central inverters. We are one of the pioneers who came to this industry in 2010. Started manufacturing central inverters from 2011 onwards. We have multiple products in our portfolio. We have products starting in central inverters ranging from 3 kilowatt to central inverters ranging up to 4.4 megawatt inverters. I would like to introduce to you the new products which we are introducing to the market. This is PowerUno with battery-enabled features. This is PowerUno 3 kilowatt, and this is PowerUno 5 kilowatt. It comes with the battery, lithium-ion based battery, as an option. The products are battery-enabled, so they work as an inverter for your house. And tomorrow, if you want to add batteries, you can add batteries separately to have a battery energy storage solution at your home. So you can manage the entire power of your home. We can manage the power which you give back to the grid. You can also manage the power, how much power you store in the batteries. It also has got connectivity through Aurora Vision, which is our portal, where you can see all the details of the products, how much energy you have saved and how much energy you have generated, how much energy you have given back to the grid. All details are available in the Aurora Vision portal as well. This product is available from Q2 2026. They would be manufactured in our Indian location. We also started localization of string inverters. We are currently localizing string inverters of capacity 100 kilowatt. These products would come initially from Italy, but then we would be starting localized production in India factory at Bangalore, India from 2026 June onwards. As I mentioned some time back, we are a pioneer in this industry. We have started our presence in India in 2011. Starting from a very small beginning of few megawatts. Now we have around 33 gigawatt of installed base in India, managing multiple customers. Our customers range from small residential customers to multi-megawatt power producers like NTPC, SJVN, as well as IPPs like Avada, Ampere, Ampenergy, etc. We also play a major role in the battery energy storage market. We have products both for central inverter and battery energy storage ranging from 1.1 megawatt capacity up to 4.4 megawatt capacity. So you can have 1.1, 2.2, 3.3 and 4.4 megawatt capacity inverters for both central inverter and battery energy storage solution. We identify India market as one of our biggest market. This is the market which we have a very important role to play. We have seen that a tremendous growth in this market in the last couple of years. We are also seeing that the battery energy storage solution market is going to be a really good boom in the coming years as well. If you talk about battery energy storage market specifically, almost all the projects which is commissioned in India, megawatt scale projects which are commissioned in India are with our battery energy storage solution. We have installations ranging from the highest peaks of Leh Ladakh. We have an installation with the Indian Army base in Leh Ladakh, and this is just an example to which level we can take our technology forward for the Indian market. We are also delighted to inform our customers that we have started our operations in R&D in India. So all central inverter products in the future, which is battery energy storage solution or central inverter solution, will be developed and manufactured in India. We have set up quite a big team. Now we are under the work of developing a new product for the Indian market, central inverter product for the Indian market, which we are targeting to release by next year to the market. We would like to thank all our customers who have supported us in our wonderful journey in this market right from the beginning of the Indian industry. A very thanks to you one and all for supporting FIMER. We hope to continue to work with you all in the near future. Thank you. Thanks a lot.